Hello everyone. Here we will know how we will give the input in Python program. So for that, what you have to do, simply write the variable name and write whatever you want to show to the user, like enter your name. So it will pop up, enter your name, and whatever you will enter, that will store in that variable means. Same here for each. Here we are cast variable as a in means the age will be as integer. So again the input we will get from here input your age, and after that this is the way we will cast it as an integer. So whatever enter you will as a age, it will store in age. And as I told you, it is casted as an integer type. So you can add one. And how we will show this? This I already told you. By the print method, we will print that. So let me run this, and then we will understand how we will get the input. You can see here it's asking enter your name. Suppose my name is Ram and my age is 7. Right? So what is output we are getting? Hello Ram, and next year age is I input 7, but as I told you that we have cast it as an integer, so it is right. So this is the way we can get the input in Python program. All these things means if you want how to install the Python, then this is a very simple thing to install the Python VS Code. You need to install the VS Visual Studio Code, and after that, for the beginning of the Python program, you can write any file name .ph. This is the Python file, and there where you can write the code, and from here you can run, and you can get the output here in that term. Right? If you want to know how to install Python, you can comment to me. I will explain you and guide. Thank you.